I'm Adrian McIntyre of Nana Glen. I do local earthworks and contract slashing and have my own property. I purchased my first Kubota tractor 9 years ago with a Challenge loader. I've had 3 tractors since then, all with Challenge implements. Using Challenge gear has made my life a lot easier. Wouldn't be able to do without it. Using the forks to move pallets around, fertiliser bags, the bucket, moving dirt, logs, and using the grab from round bales on a daily basis. I purchased my Challenge implements and loaders in the past from Jack at Stan Cork and Dorigo. Nothing's ever a drama, everything's too easy. He won't try and sell you something you don't need. The features that stand out for me with the Challenge gear would be the finish of the product. It's top notch. The float feature when travelling on roads takes the bumpiness out of it. The easyability for maintaining it, easy grease points, easy to get to hoses. The protection for the hydraulic hoses is great. And just a good product.